Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2015 Dodge Dart SE, stock number Z9704A. Only 24,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, pitch black in color. You do receive the lifetime powertrain warranty on this Dart. Please see sales for details. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Dart is in the compact car class, but it has the interior space of a mid-sized car. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjust for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 24,000 miles. Cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, as well as heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile and media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Dart has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 24 miles to the gallon and the city average of 33 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Dart, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.